Applying for the Employee Retention Credit. Welcome back to our video series on the Employee Retention Credit Program. In this video, we'll guide you through the application process for the credit. We're here to help, and we will do most of the work for you. Applying for the Employee Retention Credit is a straightforward process, but it's important to gather the necessary documentation and submit accurate information. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. Make sure your business meets the qualifying criteria we discussed in video 2. If you're unsure, don't worry. You can click the link in the description below or visit bit.ly/BLSreferral to schedule a phone call with me, and we can assess your eligibility together. Step 2. Gather supporting documents. You'll need to provide documentation that demonstrates your decline in revenue or the suspension of operations. This may include financial statements, sales records, and government orders. Step 3. Complete the application. The application process varies depending on your business structure. For example, if you're a sole proprietor, you'll include the credit on your individual tax return. If you're a corporation, you'll use Form 941 or 944 to claim the credit. Step 4. Submit your application. Ensure that all information is accurate and double-check your calculations. Submit the application according to the instructions provided by the IRS. This process can be daunting, but we're here to help. No upfront cost to you. We will take care of all the filing required to process your application. If you have any questions or need assistance throughout the application process, you can click the link in the description below or visit bit.ly/BLSreferral to schedule a phone call with me. I'm here to help. In the next video, we'll explore the funds available through the Employee Retention Credit. Stay tuned.